So what's the problem?
Okay, here's the rotor.
Yeah.
It's all set, balanced and everything.
Okay.
Go to put it on here.
Yeah.
The fucking axle won't let it give me enough clearance to put the rotor on. So I gotta jack this thing up, go underneath, undo the U-bolts so that I can lift this up a couple of inches to put the rotor on.
So it's never easy.
No.
You gotta take the torch and cut a chunk out of it.
Well, there's an axle goes through there for the wheels. You got the same idea as that peckerhead that phoned me down south.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we figured this one was coming to its natural end here, but obviously not.
That axle goes right through, and that's what your walking beams mount on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So you have to take the tracks off for sure.
I might be able to slacken the tracks and undo the bolts if I get in there, and then chip up the front end. If not, I gotta take the tracks up,
Okay.
which I didn't want to do.
Well,
That's the same thing with the transmission there, Peter. If you don't lift up the motor and transmission, a guy phoned me or text and said, just cut the axle.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be a real good move. What the hell's gonna hold the wheels straight on each side?
well. So big headache here. We've got other big headaches going on too. Three-dog afternoon.
You have enough trouble with the wiring on these as it goes. Are you looking in there? Outside?
Peter,
Look
Are you-
in here.
look on the other side.
See here where the ads and shit like this?
Yeah.
Well, that's out of a fucking distributor. That doesn't belong here.
That's a new one.
And then they, every place they put a hook up, the mounted, really on that side. Get as far back as they can. That one, this one, this one.
It's a real spaghetti. You say this gives you a headache?
Well, I can't track it down because he starts off with a red wire and then he's into a blue one and a white one. I had this thing running and now I can't get power to the fuel pump. And if I go to the ignition and power up the fuel pump, chances are that the